Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for real reviews and in-depth analysis of top-rated products. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best induction cooktop portable electric burner currently available on the market. The Duxtop 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop, Model 8100 MegaCoulombs, BT180G3. Whether you're in a compact apartment, dorm room, camper, or just want a reliable extra burner for your kitchen, this one deserves a closer look. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Duxtop 8100 MegaCoulombs has a clean, modern aesthetic with a gold-accented glass top and polycarbonate body that gives it a premium look without making it heavy. It's surprisingly lightweight and compact at just 11.5 inches deep, 13 inches wide, and 2.5 inches high. That means you can easily store it in a cabinet or even pack it for travel or camping. Now let's talk power and performance. This induction cooktop runs on 1800 watts and connects to a standard 120-volt, 15-amp outlet, the kind you'd find in any North American home. It uses electromagnetic energy to directly heat your cookware, which means it's fast and efficient. Boiling water takes significantly less time than on a traditional electric coil or gas burner. But remember, your cookware needs to be induction compatible, meaning magnetic and at least 5 inches in diameter. The user interface is simple and digital. There's a clean control panel featuring a built-in countdown timer that you can set in 1-minute increments for up to 170 minutes. You'll get 10 power levels, ranging from 200 to 1800 watts, and 10 temperature settings from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're simmering sauces, deep frying, or simply keeping food warm, you can precisely dial in your desired temperature. What truly stands out is the safety and convenience this cooktop offers. There's no open flame, so the surface remains cool unless in contact with a pan. That makes it incredibly safe, especially in homes with kids or for elderly users. And cleaning is a breeze. Since food doesn't burn onto the glass surface, a quick wipe with a damp towel is usually all it takes to clean up. A durable 7-blade fan inside ensures the cooktop stays cool during and after use, extending the life of the unit. It also features auto pan detection. The burner shuts off automatically within 60 seconds if it doesn't detect any cookware. You'll also get diagnostic error messages and low or high voltage warnings for added safety. One thing to keep in mind if you're outside of North America: this unit is designed for 120-volt outlets. So if you're in a country with 220 to 240 volts, you'll need a step-down voltage converter to use it safely. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting that Duxtop also offers a newer model with additional features like sensor touch controls and a child safety lock. But even this classic 8100 MegaCoulombs remains a favorite because of its reliability, ease of use, and incredible value for the price. With its excellent temperature control, safety features, portability, and easy cleanup, it's a smart choice for almost any kitchen situation. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, so you don't miss any of our upcoming deep dives into the best gadgets for your home and kitchen. See you in the next one.